Girlies! Hi, baby. I brought you guys some broccoli and steak. What do you think? Who wants to try a steak? You got it. Good girl. That piece had a little bit of fat on it. They're really picky. Here, let's do this. Who wants broccoli? It's cooked with butter, guys. They don't even want to eat the meat. It's too close to the broccoli. There you go. Hi, Sunday. Hi, sweetie. What are you doing? Did you want some love? Come on, you can get up. 1, 2, 3. There we go. She likes to be on my lap. You're such a sweet girl. Oh, everybody loves Sunday. Show you my wonderful hairdo, right? Oh. Be nice. You be nice. Have you been digging Sunday? Your feet are kind of cold. What are you doing, Mommy? Should I come be mean? Oh, wow, Springs, you're feeling grouchy today. Oh, Sunday, you're so beautiful and sweet. Yeah? You gonna get down and have a bite? You made my pants dirty. That's okay, I love you anyway. You see that little exchange there? Sunday's the boss. She doesn't have to be mean, she just gives them looks. Nobody likes the broccoli. Well, maybe the raccoons will eat it. Well, I'm really glad that I raked all these pine needles up and burned them. It doesn't even look like we have a path. Hi, sweetie. Where you going, Lemon? That chicken likes to stay to herself.